Unit 4, Lesson 16. Let's go to the moon. Words to know. Number 1. Think. What do you think space is like? Number 2. Bring. Spaceships can bring astronauts to space. Number 3. Before. Astronauts practice flying before their trip. Astronauts practice flying before their trip. Number 4. Light. People feel very light floating in space. Number 5. Because. Astronauts like to jump because it is fun. Number 6. Carry. Astronauts carry tools to work with. Number 7. Show. Pictures show us what the moon is like. Number 8. Around. You can see clouds all around Earth. Preview the topic. Astronauts. Astronauts travel into space. Before they go, they plan what to bring. They have to bring food to last the whole trip. They also bring tools that help them work in space. They bring cameras to show people back on Earth what space looks like. You will read more about astronauts in Let's Go to the Moon. Meet the author, Stephen R. Swinburne. Steve Swinburne has never been to the moon, but he loves to travel and explore new places here on Earth. His trips have brought him closer to bears, bobcats, and wolves. He has written many books about the things he has seen. Genre of the story: informational text. Informational text gives facts about a topic. Let's Go to the Moon, written by Stephen R. Swinburne. Essential question: what do astronauts do? Blast off! Would you like to fly to the moon? Let's go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Analyze the text. Author's purpose. Why do you think the author writes as if you are really blasting off to the moon? The flight. It can take 4 days to get to the moon. A rocket helps us blast into space. We ride in the spaceship at the top of the rocket. The surface of the moon is dusty and has many craters. There are no plants or animals on the moon. There is no water or air. The moon has rocks, dust, and craters. A crater is a big hole. Spacesuits. This is astronaut Ronald Evans wearing his spacesuit. It's time to put on our spacesuits. Spacesuits help keep our skin safe from the very hot sun and the very cold shade. The spacesuits have air in them so we can breathe. Now we are dressed for our walk on the moon. Moonwalk. Walking on the moon is fun. We can take big, light steps. We are very light because the moon has less gravity than Earth. We carry space tools with us. We have jobs to do here. Moon rocks. We find rocks and bits of dust to bring back home. We will show the rocks to people back on Earth. Lunar rover. We drive around in our lunar rover. It's even more fun than walking in our fat space unit suits. Look at all the dust the lunar rover kicks up. Taking pictures. We take pictures of our footprints. We take a picture of our spaceship too. Our flag is up. Let's take one last look before we go. We see rocks and dust. Let's go home. It's time to go back home. What is it like to be on the moon? It's strange and fun at the same time. When you look up and see the moon, what do you think? Our moon is beautiful.